Hello friends. You are now displaying the tour offer for the Principality of Monaco. You can read all the information about this tour in the overview description. Below the tour image, you can find information about the tour duration, tour type, group size, and spoken languages. Some tours have the badge of easy sellout and are highly recommended. On the right side of the tour offer, you can find the tour price with the possibility to book, or make an inquiry. To complete the booking, you can 1. Check the available date and select the ones of your preference. 2. Select how many adults, children and infants will participate in the tour. 3. Click the Book Now button and you are all done. Plus, for each tour, we added additional information, including what is included and excluded, the highlights, and what you will expect. If you don't find dates available for your booking, or you have other questions, I welcome you to contact me anytime by clicking the messenger button. I will reply to your inquiry quicker. Thanks for being with us.